if anyone wants to answer this question, but in your own words, what does USC Racing do?
USC Racing is technically it is a design team, but I think it is a lot more than a design team. It is an organization that has really become family and very close friends of mine. Every single year, we design and manufacture and race a car completely from scratch, and this really helps us hone in on our engineering skills, directly apply what we learn in the classroom to a real-life engineering application, oftentimes learn way more than we ever could in a classroom. And it's a very rewarding experience that allows us to take something from the design stages all the way to the working stage. And it's very rewarding when we can come in competition with something that we can truly claim as our own.
Caroline, Monica, anything to add?
I think she pretty much explained it. Yeah. Everyone says join a design team. And just going to racing is just a bit more. We are kind of like a family. If I ever have any questions about like anything, I know someone in that shop area is going to answer my question. If it's like work related or like shop related or even like academic wise, like I always know someone's there who's going to be able to help me. That definitely helps a lot in like environment wise, but also this design team definitely helps you hone your skills, go straight into industry if need be, and all these skills really truly help.
Yeah, it really gives like a sense of community you can't get elsewhere. And I think USC Racing is a really cool club on this campus. And you can't say in a lot of other clubs that you design, you manufacture, you integrate like 95% of your vehicle or 95% of your project. Even outside of USC, you have many other design teams who can't say this. And it's just with an amazing group of people who, you know, sometimes you're friends with, sometimes you're not as friendly with, but at the end, we all have each other's back in classes and racing, and it's just something you can't get in a classroom.
Yeah, so a lot of you guys mentioned the aspect of community and also being able to learn as you go. So I know, like, we all know each other, and we all started, like, this club essentially, like, as freshmen. So what's it like to be a technical lead now? Because you guys we're all, like, juniors and seniors. So what's it like to kind of see yourself as a freshman, just starting off on the team, having contributed nothing to having this huge sense of ownership and being like, I designed this part of the system, or it's like, I manufactured this part. So like, anyone want to take that on?
Yeah, like seeing all these like freshmen coming in, it's kind of crazy. It's like, yeah, that was me one day, like past. I was crazy. But like I became a technical lead as a sophomore. So it's kind of crazy seeing like all these upperclassmen and we're kind of like in the same level, same role. So it's kind of a little imposter syndrome. I kind of felt out of place, but like definitely helped out knowing that like my team had my back. It was really like crazy coming into like something not knowing anything. Since like freshman year, I didn't know anything about cars, didn't know anything about manufacturing, and they taught me everything I know. Like there's like it was such a like nice environment, super nice. Learned everything from my peers, which is crazy to say. But yeah, I feel like definitely crazy coming in as a freshman. You kind of feels like so out of place. Like this is so new to me, but definitely go out and explore anything that you can.
Yeah, and I know even coming in, I was afraid to turn a wrench. And so to see how far I've come is quite incredible. And I mean, even heard people, older students, talk about all the work they were doing and all the projects they were doing. And I thought I could never contribute or would never have the knowledge to contribute. But being able to grow within like 2 years to get a handle on a team on some basic fundamentals of engineering, it's been a great learning experience.
I come with a little bit of a different background. I'm a transfer student from a community college, but even though I transferred, I would say I had a very similar experience of knowing that I really wanted to contribute something worthwhile and something that genuinely meant something to the team, but feeling so incapable of doing so. A funny story I like to tell people is, like, when I first joined, I did not know how to use a wrench. I honestly don't know that I could tell you what a socket wrench was or the difference between that and, like, an Allen key. But I joined the vehicle dynamics team. I found my way around, and now I can tune a car no problem. So there's definitely, it's a great opportunity to learn from other people and really be prepared for industry.
Bro, I feel like I'm glad that's a common experience because I also didn't know how to turn a wrench or what the different types of wrenches were. So that's kind of amazing that like people can start USC Racing at like different points of experience and then also build from that.